Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today I will show you room divider design ideas for living room. So keep watching this video until the end, and if you're new to my channel then please don't forget to subscribe it and hit the bell icon for the latest video update. I wish you all the best and have a wonderful day. In this video, you will see modern room dividers and partition design ideas. Whether you have an open floor plan or just want to create more private, cozy spaces in your home, the right room divider can make all the differences. Smart living room dividers deliver exactly what you need. Free passage of light but clear boundaries between rooms. The best part of it all is that you have a wide array of room divider to choose from that venture beyond just glass walls, from DIY room divider to designer ones. Creative room divider for a living room will force you to look at decorating your home in entirely new light. There comes a time when mere functionality does not do it anymore, and you are looking for new way to evaluate the aesthetic of your living room. In the era of open plan, living room divider ideas can change a space even more than other traditional accents like rugs, lighting fixtures, and pillows. Room dividers allow you to give the living space a quick makeover. But those who wish to delineate a space in the living room without actually turning to wall need something more distinct. A room divider is the ideal option as it allows you to divide the living area from the kitchen, dining space, or even home office without completely cutting off one room from the next. Room divider idea for storage and display. Using the living room divider to add a wonderful display or even traditional storage option is a great way to make the most of the available space in your small urban apartment or modern home. The idea here is to separate the living room from the kitchen or dining room next to it without disturbing the style of each of the room and allow for an effortless transaction between both spaces. A combination of closed unit for the base and open shelves at the top is a practical choice that allows you for the flow of the light and visual connection between the living area and the room next to it. Room divider ideas that brings beauty to your space. Maybe all you want is a lovely room divider that just separates two spaces and multitasking is not really a priority. If that is the case, then think of adding another unique texture or finish to the living room with the help of this nifty divider. Since most modern living rooms are covered in sleek, polished surfaces and a touch of metal, the glint of glass or even the warmth of wood is a welcome change. A simple and stylish screen or even a metal mesh works well in certain homes. And these ultra sleek dividers also take a minimum foot space. This is another easily installed piece. These wooden slates take inspiration from Japanese design and perfectly separate the dining area from the breakfast nook in this simply elegant home. Using a massive bookshelves to divide a room is a great practical use of space as seen here. The more books you amass, the more separate things you get. Installing an entire wall is not always an option. This large panel only affixes in a few places, making installation and removal easy. As you can see, it also gives a perfect place to display art. Using a plant stand as a partition is a particularly creative and beautiful solution to the room divider issues. These vines climbs up ropes to create an indoor jungle that also separates spaces. An even more vertical solution, this wall with built-in planters is a part room divider, part gardens. A light partition wall designed with storage spaces or a room divider made with a modern storage furniture piece are two best and easiest way to make home appear larger, more functional and comfortable. Light partition walls and room dividers can make living spaces more efficient, maximizing available small spaces and dividing a large spaces into cozier areas. Partition walls with room dividers are great for large and small rooms with open plan. For instance, you can separate your small kitchen into cooking areas and a dining area, or beautifully divide your small bathroom and bedroom with attractive glass block walls. There are many reasons for adding a partition wall, dividing a room into different functional zones, or creating more privacy in a room. Creative partition wall designs can work as a stylish home decoration which grab the attention to a particular area of a room. These are similarly to the previously mentioned type of hall divider, but they also help to make the divider multifunctional. The basic example is having a inbuilt cupboard, shelves, antique hanging spaces and small tables etc. When going for such dividers, the color choice need to be more significant. This is so because these dividers are perceived to be part of interior furniture rather than just a divider. Hence, choosing a color which is similar to other furniture will only enhance the visual appeal of your room. Glass room divider ideas: adding a translucent glass wall or sliding and folding glass doors to create a partition between the living area and the bedroom in a small studio apartment is a trendy option. If you are wearing toward glass walls, then it is best to add a layer of drapes that gives you more privacy when needed. Etched and chemically treated glass panels coupled with sleek metallic pipes give the living area an industrial touch, while colorful glass partition and those with intricate pattern and designs give the living area beautiful and elegant look instantly. Another innovative way that helps you to separate the area would be using the hanging dividers. These can be easily arranged anywhere apart from the else part. They look very attractive too. Curtains are a type of hanging dividers, and one of the best trading curtains pattern is the transparent ones, usually of a thick materials to not let the air conditioning pass through. These are two a type of detachable mobile hall dividers. As the name suggests, they can be folded to define the right space for your room. as per your requirement. These two come in varying shapes and usually with a patterns look. This type of room divider should be chosen preferably in contrast to the decor of your room. This beautiful laser cut wooden partition, the gorgeous design bring a luxurious look to the living room. Sometimes a wooden partition like this one with laser cut patterns add to the aesthetic of a room. It perfectly complements the mural of the entrance wall. Creative partition wall design idea can help hide clutter or make small spaces that feel cozy and safe. Partition wall design is an excellent idea for manage the light inside the room or a part of a room. Creative partition wall designs offer numerous attractive materials and forms. Modern room divider, storage, furniture, traditional and contemporary material can be used for designing amazing partition walls. Collection of creative partition wall design idea and use your imagination to beautify your open home interior. What works for one might not be work for other, and you need for a room divider both in terms of size and style could be very different from what is currently available in store. Do not shy away from custom solution that deliver exactly what you need. Living room dividers in metal and glass can be created by your local shops with ease, and often they are far less expensive than divider in furniture shops. I hope this video will help you to choose the best room divider or partition design ideas for your home. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel to see future videos. You can also follow my Instagram account. It's a Shilpa's Home Decor Ideas, and thanks for watching this video. Have a wonderful day.